how to customize control center modules on Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to customize the control center modules, you'll need to head over to System Settings, and then you need to go to Menu Bar, and here you can see all of the controls that are currently available on the control center. So if you want to add more, then you can tap on add controls, and then you can choose what to add and what to remove. So what you want to add, tap on the plus icon or drag it, and what you want to remove, just tap on the minus. So that's how you customize a control center module. There you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.